You gonna sit up? Or are you going to bed?
He's tired.
Stop it! And a little bit.
Oh.
Then there was a little camera and...
You a little tired?
The dog don't eat acorns.
I don't know all of the rest of the story.
But then she ate the yellow potion and she became good again and she lived happily ever after.
And she drank the yellow potion and she a boy with him come to land to her and happily ever after. Amen.
Very good.
Amen.
Amen.
Okay, now good night, sweetheart. We were excited. Wait, I feel like crying. Good night, sweetheart. I need to read. Sweetheart, good night. What?
I love that song. Can you sing again?
Good night, sweetheart. Well, it's time to go. Good night, sweetheart. Well, it's time to go. I say we must say good night, sweetheart. No, good night. Are you going the next time out?